Welcome everyone. I want to tell you what the fourth thing that I got for my Jeep. I'll show you. It's also sort of the interior part. It's actually the stepping area. When you open your door, you get inside. This part right here actually got some sort of like mat for the door. I don't know what you call this, a door fender, or I don't know what you call it. But this area here, I got these mat right here. Pretty simple, but then it is a good way of keeping, this part sort of clean from scratches or damages. Because when you step on, you do step on that part to get inside too. Both front and rear, I got them for. See. On both sides it looked the same, but yeah, they make good use, so it'll help protect your door frame fender, or I don't know what they call it. But yeah, that's what the fourth thing I got. Stay tuned for more. I'll show you what I got for the fifth thing I got. All right, peace.